Many homeowners often focus their time and energy on their house's main spaces, like kitchens or living rooms. Most bedrooms can be left behind, and that was definitely the case in this space. This bedroom had beautiful architecture, great ceilings, lovely windows. It just needed to be decorated. When I first saw this space, it looked like the homeowner had just moved in. There was a bed in the middle of the room and mismatched side tables, and that was about it. White walls, mismatched bedding. It needed some help. The home is quite traditional, but has been renovated with some very contemporary elements. He wanted this bedroom to feel lofty and kind of masculine. We started with the wallpaper, which really set the tone for the color palette in this space. It's actually a faux concrete. It looks so real that you almost have to touch it to realize that it's not. The wallpaper is really striking, so it would be pretty intense to wrap the room in it, so we chose this focal wall behind the bed. This wall is great because it's a structural, outside load-bearing wall, so technically it could be concrete for all we know. Keeping in the same color palette, I had this bed custom made. It's a gorgeous gray mohair. It's so soft to the touch and very luxurious, but still masculine because of the color. I then dressed the bed in this really easy breezy linen bedding. It doesn't need to be a crisp sheet kind of bed, we just wanted it to feel loose and comfortable. The side tables are a nice play with contrast because of the glossy finish and how it relates to the faux concrete wall. The legs of the side table are walnut, and the walnut base really mimics the walnut floor. The wall sconces really help sell the lofty and masculine vibe. I love the matte black finish, and it's a hit of industrial that really frames the bed. The exposed cord and almost sculptural look to them makes them feel really special. This side of the room does have a lot of visual weight, so to balance it, we've painted the opposite side of the room in a warm gray. The gray is the perfect backdrop to this walnut dresser, and the walnut dresser, again, relates to the walnut floor. Choosing where to stop and start this gray wall color was kind of difficult because of the room's space, architecture, and unique ceiling line. We decided to stop it at the same level as the wallpaper to really just bring a sense of balance. To ground the space and to bring a bit of the same coloring to the floor, I've opted for this painterly rug. It's swirls of all the different shades of gray and a bit of cream. The look is great. The drapery are a warm gray wool that mimic the wallpaper and the paint color. They've been hung at the same level where the paint stops and the wallpaper stops just to keep that line consistent. I really love this style of drape because when open, the shape of the folds remains consistent. The homeowner has a great art collection and I wanted to use some of that in the space. That's where this yellow accent color came from as well because it really relates to the existing art. The yellow's been brought in easy, inexpensive hits that can be changed out if necessary or even seasonally. Ceiling fans can sometimes get a bad rap, mostly because not all of them are that good looking. We found this beautiful stainless steel piece that really sings in this room. It's functional and also when paired with pot lights, it's all you need. My favorite piece in the room has got to be this vintage accent chair. Now, some of these pieces are bought new, made to look old, where this piece is actually from the 60s. What I love most about it is it's actually made in Bothwell, Ontario, my own hometown. Overall, this bedroom was decorated using the principle of repetition in mind. The use of a tight color palette, modern furniture, and lofty elements really bring that to life. This same idea of repetition is also what makes the space feel so calm and relaxing. Now that this bedroom has been fully decorated, it's a space the homeowner can finally enjoy.